Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And right now we're in my kitchen, dining, living room area. And I'm going to take a lot of the fall decor that I have made over the years. And I'm going to show you how you can display it in your own home. Now, if you're interested in any of these, you want to learn how to make them, all of the links will be listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Wow, I can't believe I made all of these items. It was a lot of work, but believe me, I had a great time doing it and I love teaching you all how to do it. So remember, below your YouTube screen, just scroll down to the description section. When you see the word more, click on it and it will expand open and you will see all kinds of links appearing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.